The other helmet?
No, I'm good. Ready?
Yep. So this is ideal way to tack, and you just get someone to help you, because you may not have all these clamps, and clamping it all the way down might be a bit of an issue. Having a heat sink might help you to do the tacking. Okay. So another one right about here probably. Let it cool down a little bit, let it do its thing. We're working down, we're not rushing. We're allowing that to come back in again now as it cools off and shrinks. Okay, there it is. And that way we get nice snug tacks all the way down. Okay.